What's up everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can connect your Rode Wireless Go 2 microphones onto your camera. So in this case I'll be using Canon camera, and specifically I'm using a T8i, as you can see right here. However, you can connect to any other Canon camera using the same method. Before we jump straight into it, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, since it helps these videos to be pushed to as many people as possible. Alright, so this is the case that I do have with these microphones. It's a third-party case that you can use to charge your Wireless Go 2 on the go. So I'll take all these out. So this is the cable that I will use to connect, as you can see. So I have two transmitters and a receiver. So all I will have to do is to go ahead and so this is the receiver right here. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. So how do I turn it on? I'll go ahead and press this button right here. So press this button to turn it on. So press and hold, and there you go. So it has turned on right now. Then I'll turn the transmitters on too. So this is the button right here. So you press and hold and it will light up. Press and hold and it will light up, as you can see. If I use one of the microphones, you will see that it will be detecting the audio. 1 2, mic check 1 2. 1 2, mic check 1 2. 1 2, mic check 1 2. So if you want to use one of them, you can go ahead and turn one of them off. You press and hold to turn it off, and as you can see, it will show you that it's only one which is highlighted. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. That means it's working. So if you want to record, let me turn this back on. So as you can see, I have both of the microphones on right there. So if I want to record each of these separately, there are two buttons right here. So you press and hold both of these buttons together. Press and hold. And as you can see, if you look closely, if you press and hold those two buttons right there, it will show 1 and 2. That means you're recording these microphones separately. However, if you want to record them together, combine them together, you still press and hold these two buttons together. Press and hold. And as you can see, it will be recording this as one. So once you're done, right here, there is where it shows 0 dB. So that will be the audio that is coming into your microphone. So you can adjust it by using this left button right here. So click on that. As you can see, it's negative 30 dB. So you can adjust it according to the levels that you think works best for you. However, for me, the couple times I've used it, I've adjusted it to 0 to get that good audio that I'm looking for, or the perfect balance. So once you're done, you are ready to roll. So once you're done, you can go ahead and insert this into the receiver. Insert it into one end right here. So once you're done, I'll put this on a side. So I'll go ahead and attach this on the camera, and then I'll insert it right here where you see mic. So insert it into this end of the microphone where you insert the microphone right there. So once you're done, turn on the camera. So once you turn on the camera, since this is a current camera, click on menu, and once you click on menu, you look for the option which says sound recording. So click on that. Automatically it is in auto, sound recording, auto. So go ahead and click on auto right there, and then click on manual. So once you click on manual, as you can see, it's already detecting the sound. However, you can go ahead and click on recording level. So normally you have to adjust this to the lowest, to the minimum level for you to get that crisp sound. However, what I've found that works best for me, at least, is adjusting it up to this level right here. Once I adjust it up to that level and then I record, I get that good medium crisp sound. However, you can adjust it according to how your audio comes out. And once you're done, click on OK. And I'll get mic check 1 2 1 2 mic check. And now you are all set to go ahead and use your wireless go-to microphones. All right, that's how easy and quick it is to connect your Rode wireless go-to onto your camera. If you're able to successfully connect your Rode wireless go-to microphones onto your camera, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.